Alright, this is control of VSGGIO using ITT take 2. Start with adding an ID in ITT. Just right click, choose add ID, give it a name, ID, for example. Type in the IP address 10.1.150.3. Alright. Right click on the server and say connect this server. And then wait for a few seconds. This is pretty fast in this case as it's a small data model in the ID. Go down to VSGGIO. Go into DPCSO. And here we look at the current ST val, the value of the VSGGIO, and it's on. Which means that we can do a control in the other direction to make it off. So we expand upper, double click on CTL val, get up the command dialog, and here we have the direction of the command we're going to send, which is going to be false now as the current status is on. We send command, close the dialog, and we look at the STVal. Right now it's still on, but the reason for that is that it's not being refreshed as we don't have any reports enabled at the moment. So we right click and do refresh, and we see that the status has changed to off. And we can do control in the other direction as well. So we do go into upper and CTL val. Now I happen to double click on control num, but it's the same thing. So we select true as the control val and send command. Close that guy and have a look. It's still off, as you can see, but if we right click and refresh, it changes to on. If we then go to PCM and have a look on what we have engineered, then we have the VSGGIO connected to a flip-flop using the command outputs to set and reset the flip-flop, and then the feedback, the status of the flip-flop, is fed back to IPOS1 and IPOS2. To be able to control from remote, we have we have to have an integer 2 into the PSTO input, and that we generate by using a bool to integer converter, where we set the second bit to true. Setting wise, we have to set the VSGGIO to on. The control is direct control. It's a pulsed output. Pulse length is 0.2 seconds. Default values, all of them. The only thing I changed was the operation. And that's it. Good luck.